Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about binary operation and laws of binary operation. So there are four important laws of binary operation. As you know that associative law, commutative law, identity law, and inverse law. Based on the definition of binary operation and laws of binary operation, to solve some of problems. Okay. Now here problem number 3. That is 2 mark question. Very simple question. Now here the question is, consider the binary operations denoted by cap, symbol cap, on the set consisting of 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Defined by A cap B instead of star, here notation cap. A cap B is equal to minimum of A comma B. ಯಾವ ತರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ? A star B star ಬಗ್ಗೆ cap ಇದೆ. A cap B is minimum of A and B. Using this concept, write the multiplication table. Write the table for the operation cap. Just to draw the table. Very simple concept. That is 2 mark question. Look here. Now here that A is a set consisting of how many elements? 5 elements. Okay. Now write the table. A cap B defined by. Now here A is a set consisting of 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again in the rows. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. Now here A cap B defined by the A cap B. In first row the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First column same number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write the table, fill the remaining boxes. Look here. A value 1, B value 1. A value 1, B value 2. A value 1, B value 3. A value 1, B value 4. A value 1, B value 5. Similarly, take A value 2, B value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take A value 3, B value all number. Take A value 4, then take B value. Take A value 5, take B all values. Okay. Now A cap B, take one by one number. Take A value 1, B value 1. 1 cap 1. 1 cap 1 is equal to minimum of 1 comma 1. Among those two elements, what is minimum value? Minimum of 1 comma 1. 1 1 is it. Minimum value. That is smallest number. Minimum is smallest number 1. Next, A value 1, B value 2. 1 cap 2. 1 cap 2. Minimum of 1 comma 2. Minimum of 1 comma 2. Among those two elements, which one is minimum number? 1. Right? Then A value 1, B value 3. 1 cap 3. 1 cap 3 is equal to minimum of 1 comma 3. Minimum of 1 comma 3. Divided number minimum number yavu 1. Next 1 cap 4. Minimum of 1 comma 4. Among those which one is minimum? 1. 1 cap 5. Minimum of 1 comma 5. Among those two number minimum is 1. Right? Next take A value 2, B value 1. 2 cap 1. 2 cap 1 means minimum of 2 comma 1. Divided by minimum of the smallest number is 1. 2 cap 2. A value 2, B value 2. 2 cap 2. Minimum of 2 comma 2. Among those two minimum is 2. Then 2 cap 3. 2 cap 3. Minimum of 2 comma 3. Divided by minimum of that is 2. Similarly 2 cap 4. 2 cap 4. Minimum of 2 comma 4. Among those minimum is 2 cap 5. Minimum of 2 comma 5. Minimum value is 2. Right? Next, take A value 3, B value. Same method. 3 cap 1. 3 cap 1 means minimum of 3 comma 1. 3 ಮತ್ತು 1 minimum number ಯಾವುದು? Smallest number is 1. 3 cap 2. Minimum of 3 comma 2 is 2. 3 cap 3. Minimum of 3 comma 3 is 3. 3 cap 4. Minimum of 3 and 4. 3 ಮತ್ತು 4 minimum ಯಾವುದು? 3. 3 cap 5. Minimum of 3 and 5 is 3. Right? Next, 4 cap 1. Minimum of 4 and 1. 4 ಮತ್ತು 1 smallest number is 1. 4 cap 2. Minimum of 4 and 2 is 2. 4 cap 3. Minimum of 4 and 3 is 3. 4 cap 4. Minimum of 4 comma 4 is minimum number is 4. 4 cap 5. Minimum of 4 and 5 is 4. Right? Next, take A value 5. B value 1 by 1 number. 5 cap 1. Minimum of 5 and 1. Smallest number is 1. 5 cap 2, minimum of 5 and 2 is 2, smallest number. 5 cap 3, minimum of 5 and 3 is 3. 5 cap 4, minimum of 5 and 4 is 4. 5 cap 5, minimum of 5 and 5 is 5. So this is the operation table for cap, binary operation cap. Just the table draw method, that is 2 mark. Clear? Second question, next question. One table is given. Based on this table, there are 3 questions. Now here problem number 4. Consider a binary operation denoted by star on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements given by the following multiplication table. One table is given. That table already mentioned. Table code pretty running. Based on this table, now to find 3 questions. 2 star 3 of star 4 and find 2 star 3 star 4. Second one, verify whether is it commutative property or not. Commutative or Bool's group or not. Third one, find 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. Very simple, based on this table. Now here, by using that table, first question is find 2 star 3 star 4 is equal to 2 star 3. See the table. 2, first number 2, take the first column. 3, next number is 3, take the row. 2 star 3. Observe it, 2 star 3. 2 star 3. 2 star 3. 2 line and 3 line. What is 2 star 3 value? 1. Correct? Star 4. 4 right as it is. Then again, 1 star 4. 1 line. Then 4. What is 1 star 4 value? 1. So therefore 2 star 3 of star 4 value is 1. Clear students? And find the 2 star of 3 star 4. That is equal to 2 star. To find 3 star 4. Look here. 3 star 4. 3 line, horizontal line, then 4 vertical line. So what is the common value? 3 star 4 value is, intersecting value is 1. That is equal. What is 2 star 1? 2 star 1. 2 star 1. That value is 1. So therefore 2 star of 3 star 4 is 1. Clear? Okay. Whereas second question. Verify whether each star is commutative. You know the definition of commutative property. What is commutative law? A star B is equal to B star. 2 star 3 is same as 3 star. 5 star 4 is same as 4 star 5. Take one counter example. Now, take any two numbers. 2 star 4. What is 2 star 4? 2 star 4. And how much? 2. And reverse. What is 4 star 2? No, 4 star 2. 4 star 2. Again the value is 2. Also, you take one more example. See, 4 star 5. What is 4 star 5? 4 star 5. Value is 1. What is 5 star 4? 5 star 4 star 5 star 4. Again, value is 1. Therefore, in general, A star B is equal to clearly A star B is equal to B star A. 2 star, that is 2 star 4 is same as 4 star 2. 4 star 5 is same as 5 star 4. Therefore, in general, A star B is equal to B star A. Hence, star is all commutative. Commutative out color. So, you take any two elements in the set, observe it whether A star is equal to B star. Holds true. Therefore, commutative law holds. Is it clear? Take any other two numbers. Where number 2 notes? 4 and 3. 4 star 3 value 1. 3 star 4 is also 1. So that 4 star 3 is same as 3 star 4. Because definition of commutative law, in general A star B equal to B star. Isn't it? Then third question. Third one is find the 2 star 3 star 4 star 5 using that table. What is 2 star 3? See the table. 2 star 3. 2 star 3. How much? 1. Star. What is 4 star 5? 4 star 5. 4 star 5. Its value is 1. That is equal. What is 1 star 1? 1 star 1. Value is 1. Therefore, 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. Its value is 1. Here students, identify problem number 3 2 mark, problem number 4 3 mark. Each question carries 1 mark. Okay. Next problem, a simple problem. Problem number 5. Let start here binary operation on the set containing 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Defined by a star b is equal to HCF of a and b. HCF means highest common factor. Another name is GCD. Both are same. GCD of a and b is same as HCF of a and b. Both are same. Greatest common factor antara. This is highest common factor. Both are same. Greatest common divisor. Now write the operation table for the operation star. We have to construct the table. Okay. Now look here. Now here there are 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Operation is star. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Given a star b is equal to HCF of a and b. You know the concept of HCF, highest common factor or greatest common divisor. Take one by one number. Take a value 1, b value 1. 1 star 1. That is HCF of 1 and 1. What is highest common factor of 1 and 1 is? That is 1. Right? Next, a star b. A value 1, b value 2. 1 star 2. HCF of 1 and 2. What is HCF of 1 and 2? Not 2. What is the meaning of HCF? Highest common factor. Even concept artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. HCF, highest common factor or GCD, greatest common divisor. So if you take one simple example, consider two numbers 18 and 24. Now the question is, write the greatest common divisor or highest common factor of 18 and 24. How to solve? First to find the factors of those two numbers. Then to find the common among those two factors. Then among the common, which one is greatest? How to calculate? First to find factors of 24. What are factors of 24? 24 ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 24s are. Then 2 12s are. Then 3 8s are. Then 4 6s are. Then 6 4s are. Right? Then 8 3s are. Then 12 2s are. These are the factors. Again similarly factors of 18. Divisors of 18. 18 ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? 1 2 3 9s are 18. Then 6 3s are 18. Then 9 2s are 18. 18 1s are 18. These are the divisors. These are the factors. Then to find the common among those numbers, what are common numbers? Common factors are, common divisors are. Now common is 1 2 3 6. You common. Okay. Then among those common, which one is highest? You not put highest only. So highest value is 6. So 6 is the highest common factor of 18 and 24. This is the method of finding the highest common factor. Now 1 star 2, a value 1, b value 2. 1 star 2 is HCF of 1 and 2. Now factors of 1 is 1. Factors of 2, 1 and 2. Factors 2 ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 1 and 2. Divided common ಇದೆ 1 ಇದೆ. Among those which one is biggest? That is 1. So 1 star 2, HCF of 1 and 2 is again 1. Similarly a value 1, b value 3. 1 star 3, HCF of 1 and 3. 1 ಮತ್ತು 3 highest common factor ಏನು? 1 factor 1. 3 factors 1 and 2. Divided common ಇದೆ 1 1. Among those two which one is biggest? 1 is the biggest. Similarly 1 star 4, HCF of 1 and 4. Highest common factor of 1 and 4 is 1. HCF of 1 and 5, highest common factor is 1. Right? Next, 2 star 1. 2 star 1 is HCF of 2 and 1. Factors of 2 ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 and 2. Factors of 1 is 1. Divided common ಯಾವುದು? 1. Among those two which one is biggest? 1. 2 star 2, HCF of 2 and 2 is 2. 2 star 3, 2 star 3. Common factors of 2 and 3. 1 and 2, 3 to 1 and 3 common one, that is highest is 1. 2 star 4, HCF of 2 and 4. 2 factors of 1, 4 factors of 1, 2, 4. Common and 1. Remember the biggest ಯಾವುದು 2 star 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ highest common factor is 1. ಅದರ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತದೆ ಈಗ 2 star 5. Is it 2 divides 5? No. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ common factor is still the highest common factor is 1. 3 star 1. That is 1. 3 star 2. 3 does not divide 2. That is highest common factor is 1. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ highest common factor is 1. 3 star 3. Is it 3 divides 3? Yes. So highest common factor is 3. 3 star 4. 3 is it 3 divides 4? No. 3 does not divide 4. Highest common factor is 1. 3 star 5. 3 ಮತ್ತು 5 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So that is highest common factor is 1. 4 star 1. 1. 4 star 2. Is it 2 divides 4? Yes. So highest common factor is 4 star 3. Is it 3 divides 4? No. Highest common factor is 1. 4 star 4. Is it 4 divides 4? Yes. Highest common factor is 4. 4 star 5. Is it 4 divides 5? No. That is highest common factor is 1. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ its highest common factor become 1. Similarly 5 star 1. 1. 5 star 2. 1. 5 star 3. 5 does not divide 3. 1. 5 star 4. 4 does not divide 5. That is highest common factor is 1. 5 star 5. Clearly 5 divides 5. Highest common factor is 1. This is the table, multiplication table for HCF of AN. That is 2 mark question. This is the concept of the highest common factor. Clear students? Okay. Next problem. Here is problem number 6. Let a star be a binary operation on the set of natural number given by a star b is equal to LCM of A and B. You know the difference between HCF and LCM. HCF means highest common factor, ಮಹತ್ತರ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನ. LCM means least common multiple, ಲಘುತಮ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನ. LCM of A and B. Using this condition, ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು find first one 5 star 7 as well as 20 star 60. That second question was asked in previous year. I think that is 2017 March 1 mark question. In one question paper, part A, first question. If A star is equal to LCM of A and B, find 20 star 60. Very simple question. Now first one, find 5 star 7. Observe. A star B is LCM of A and B. A value is given 5, B value is 7. Okay. So 5 star 7 is LCM of 5 and 7. That is equal to. What is LCM of 5 and 7? 5, 7 LCM and find out what? 5 ones are 7 as it is. 7 ones, that is 7. 5 sevens are correct. 1 mark. So that LCM of 5 and 7 is 30. And LCM of 20 star 16, that is equal to LCM of 20 and 16. What is LCM of 20 and 16? How to calculate 20 and 16? We have a number ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 5 4 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ 4 5s are 4 4. Next 5 1s are 4 as this. This is the method of finding the LCM. Then 4 1 4 1. 5 4s are 20. 24s are 80. LCM of 20 and 16 is 80. Clear students? Next question, second one is star is commutative in particular number ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. We have to verify generally we have to verify. So star is commutative, verify. You know the definition of commutative property. What is that? A star B is equal to B star. Now take A star. Let A star B is given, that is LCM of A and B. Right? And what is B star A? That is LCM of B and B. Now verify, is it LCM of A and B is same as LCM of B and A? How can you take one simple example? Take this one. LCM of 20 star 16 is 80. What about LCM of 16 star 20? Again 80. So clearly LCM of A and B is same as LCM of B and A. Therefore LCM of A and B is nothing but A star B. LCM of B and A is nothing but B star. Right? Therefore, star is what? Commutative. Very simple concept. Right? Similarly, third question. Is star is associative? You know the definition of associative property. What is that? A star of B star C is same as A star B of star C. LHS is equal to RHS. Now take LHS. Let A star of B star C is equal to. Based on this, E concept use LCM concept. Now look here. Put B star C is equal to alpha. It came at alpha. It is in the form A star alpha. Right? Now here A star B is equal to LCM of A and. What is A star alpha? LCM of A and alpha. Alpha value B star C. Right? That is equal to LCM of A and since A star B is equal to LCM of A and B, what is B star C? LCM of B and C. So LCM of A and LCM of B and C, that is same as LCM of A, B and C. Correct? Two number are LCM of A and LCM of B and C. LCM of two number 3. Two number again LCM value that number into previous number. Again take LCM. It will become that is nothing but LCM of A, B and C. This is LHS. And RHS A star B of star C. But A star B is given. What is that? LCM of A and star C. Right? Put LCM of A and B called as alpha. Here alpha again it is in the form alpha star C. Again since A star B is equal to LCM of A and instead of A, here alpha. What is alpha star C? Alpha star C is equal to LCM of alpha value, LCM of A and B and C. Here alpha alpha star C is equal to LCM of alpha and C. LCM of A and B star and C. That is nothing but LCM of, that is same as A, B and C. LCM of A, B and C. So here A star of B star C, LCM of A, B and C. Also A star B of star C. That is nothing but LCM of A, B and C. To take particular example, A value, B value, C value, number to verify. Here it is equal. Therefore, A star of B star C is equal to A star B of star C. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, star is what? Associative. Dear friends, then fourth one, very important. Find the identity of star in the set of natural number. Find the identity of star. You know the definition of identity law. Now by definition of identity, what is that? Now A star E is same as E star A is equal to A. Definition of identity. Now A star E is same as E star A is equal to A. Okay. A star E is equal to A implies since A star B is equal to given LCM of A and B. Now here A star E is LCM of A and E is equal to A. LCM of A and E value A because definition of identity A star is equal to A. So the answer LCM of A and E value A. What is the value of E? Therefore, E must be 1. Yes, E value 1 value substitute E value 1. LCM of A and 1 is. If you take E value 2, what is LCM of A and 2? 2A out. If you take 3, LCM of A and 3 is 3A out. But A number definition of identity A star E become A itself. इधे value E value become 1. Is it 1 belongs to natural number? Yes. So identity element is one exists. That here one belongs to next one. Clear, students? Next problem. Problem number 7. That is each question. Find which of the operations given below has identity. It means to find the value of identity element. Now here first problem, A star B is equal to defined on A minus B. For all A and B belongs to rational number. It means to find the value of identity E, that value of E will also belongs to Q. Identity element satisfied of A2. You know the definition of identity. Now here what is the definition of identity? A star E is same as E star A is equal to A. Now here to prove that A star E is equal to A and take E star A is equal to A, using those two to find the value of E. Two conditions satisfied of. Now here first to find, now A star E is equal to A. For the first part code implies, since A star B is equal to A minus B, what is A star E? Instead of B, here written B, A minus E is equal to A. Therefore, E is equal to minus E is equal to A plus A goes to inside minus A minus A, 0. Minus E is equal to 0, therefore E is equal to 0. Is it 0 belongs to rational number? Yes. Next, and one more term. Take E star A. E star A ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Now E star A is equal to A. This implies A star B is equal to A minus B. What is E star A? E minus A is equal to A. Right? Therefore, E is equal to A minus A equals to plus A. That is 2E. Of course, 2A is also belongs to rational number. But here E value 0, here E value 2A. Are they equal? No. Therefore, identity element does not exist. Identity element does not exist. Because both are not equal. A star E value A, E value 0 or E value 2A. Are they equal? Is it 0 equal to A? No. Therefore, identity element does not exist. Okay? Same way. Second one. Next one more. Here A star B is equal to A square plus B square. For all A comma B belongs to rational number. Now, again to find identity value. Now A star E is same as E star A is equal to A. Take A star E is equal to A. Now to find A value, A star B is equal to A square plus B square. Instead of B here written B, A star B is equal to A square plus B square is equal to B. Right? This implies E square is equal to A. That A square was percent minus 6. Therefore, E is equal to square root of A minus A square. Is it belongs to a rational number? No, does not belong to rational number. Verify. Counter example. Take A value 2. Put A value 2. 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ. A value 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 2 minus 2 square 4. 2 minus 4 minus 2. Square root of minus 2 does not belong to rational number. It is real. That is complex number. Okay. Now also E star A is equal to A. Now A star B is equal to A square plus B square. E star A is equal to E square plus A square is equal to A. Therefore, E square is equal to A minus A square. E is equal to again under root of A minus A square. Does not belong to rational number. Of course, ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು? rational number ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದೇನಾ ಇದು? ಇಲ್ಲ. So we conclude that identity element does not exist. Identity element does not exist. ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay. Whereas third problem, what is that? A star B is equal to A plus B. For all A comma B belongs to rational number. Now again check it. Now identity definition. Now A star B is equal to A. Implies, since A star B is equal to A plus B, instead of B here under B, A star B is equal to A plus B is equal to A. Therefore, E is equal to A. That A goes to inside minus A, that is 0. Clearly 0 belongs to rational number. Converse part. And what is converse part? E star E is equal to E implies A star B is equal to A plus B. What is E star A? E plus A is equal to A. Therefore, E is equal to A. That A goes to its minus A 0. That also belongs to rational number. Therefore, A star E is same as E star A is equal to A. Therefore, identity element exists. Exists have to same identity element exists. That is 0. That is 0 only. Okay. 0 is rational number. Similarly, fourth one. What is that fourth one? A star B is equal to A minus B to the power of 2 for all A comma B belongs to rational number. Now again, verify definition of identity. A star B is equal to A. To find E value, that value of E will also belongs to rational number. Since A star B is equal to A minus B to the power of 2, what is A star B? A minus B to the power of 2 is equal to A. Right? Now taking the square root on both sides, A minus B is equal to root A. Right? Therefore, E is equal to A minus root A. Right? E is equal to A minus root A. Is it belongs to rational number? No, does not belong to rational number because here root. Root equal it is irrational. And RHS, E star A is equal to A. A star B as well as E star. Since A star B is equal to A minus B to the power of 4. What is E star A? E minus A to the power of 4 is equal to. Taking the square root on both sides, E minus A is equal to root A. Therefore, E is equal to root A. Minus A goes to itself plus A. Does not belong to rational number. It is irrational. Therefore, we conclude that is it identity exists? No. Therefore, identity element does not exist. Identity element does not exist. Exists are the law. Okay? Whereas fifth one, A star B is equal to in there AB upon 4. AB by 4 for all A comma B belongs to rational. Check it. Now, A star E is equal to A. Implies A star B is equal to AB upon 4. What is A star E? AB by 4 is equal to A. Cross multiply A into E is equal to 4A, right? Now divide by A. Is equal to 4. Both belongs to rational number. It is in the form of P by Q. And E star A is equal to A. Simplify to find E. A star B is equal to AB by 4. What is E star A? EA by 4 is equal to A. Cross multiply E into A is equal to 4A. Divide by A. E is equal to 4. Is it 4 belongs to rational number? Yes. Therefore, A star E is same as E star A is equal to A. Satisfied? Therefore, identity element exists. Identity element exists. Clear, students? Similarly, sixth one. What is that? A star B is equal to AB square for all A comma B belongs to rational number. Now to find the identity exists upon. Now A star E is equal to definition of identity. This implies A star B is equal to AB square. What is A star E? A square is equal to divide by A. E square is equal to A by A 1. Therefore, E is equal to plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1, that is 1. Is it belongs to rational number? Yes. And E star A is equal to A. A star E is same as E star A equal to A. Definition of identity. This implies A star B is equal to A B square. What is E star A? E A square is equal to A. Now divide by A square. E is equal to A divided by A square. That is 1 by A. Of course, 1 by A belongs to a rational number. But here E value plus or minus 1. Here E value 1 by A. Are they equal? Not equal. Therefore, identity element identity element does not exist because A star B solve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ plus or minus 1 ಬಂದಿದೆ. B star A solve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 by A ಇದೆ. Now is it plus or minus 1 is equal to 1 by A? No, does not exist. Clear students? Okay. Last problem in this topic, most important problem, that question was asked in several times, that is 3-mark question, very important problem. Read it carefully. Now here, let A is equal to n cross n, Cartesian product of two sets. You know the definition of Cartesian product, order pair. Okay, and star be the binary operation. BO means binary operation defined by order pair AB star order pair CD is equal to A plus C comma B plus C. In previous problem only one element is given, A star B is equal to AB by 4, A star B is equal to A plus B. But here order pairs are given. Order pair AB star CD is equal to defined by A plus C comma B plus B. Using this concept, this concept use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು show that star is both associative as well as commutative. Associative ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, commutative ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. And also find the identity element for star on the set A, if any. If it is exist or not, we have to identify the identity element. Okay. Now first part to prove that associative. Now how to solve? Look here. Now here associative definition is A star of B star C or B star Q of star R is same as P star Q star R. Right? Now here comparing this with that. Now where P is the set of order pair AB. P ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು order pair AB. Q set ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು order pair CD. R set take another order pair A B C D E F. Let P is equal to order pair AB. Q is equal to order pair CD. R is equal to another order pair E F. Now here take LHS and take RHS. Wait for whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. Now here let take LHS. What is LHS? P star Q star R. What is P? P is equal to AB star. Q is CD star. R set you take say EF. Okay. For all A, B, C, D, E, F belongs to natural numbers. All are natural numbers. Take LHS. Simplify LHS. That is equal to AB star CD is given. What is that? A plus C comma B plus B star order pair E comma F. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. AB star CD is equal to A plus C comma B plus D star EF. That is equal to. Put A plus C is equal to alpha. This alpha ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ and B plus D call it as beta. This alpha ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ beta ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Order pair alpha comma beta star order pair E comma F. This is called as alpha, that is called as beta. Order pair alpha comma beta star E comma F. Now we are given AB star CD is equal to A plus C comma B plus C. Instead of AB, we are under alpha beta. Instead of CD, we are under E comma F. So that alpha beta star E comma F ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Alpha plus E comma beta plus F. Correct? Instead of A, B, C, D, here alpha beta E F. Alpha plus E. What is alpha value? A plus C plus E. Beta plus F. What is beta? B plus D plus F. This is LHS. And RHS. P star of Q star R. What is P? AB. And RHS. P value AB star Q star R. What is Q? CD star R by taking E is equal. Order pair AB as B star. Again given AB star CD is equal to A plus C comma B plus C. That is given. Instead of A, B and CD, here CD and EF. What is CD star EF? A, B star CD is A plus C comma B plus C. A plus C comma B plus C. Here CD star EF is C plus E comma B plus E. Right? Now again, A, B star, C plus C called as alpha, D plus F called as beta. C plus E comma D plus F. C plus C called as alpha, D plus F called as beta. Now it is in the form A, B star alpha comma. This alpha and beta A, B star alpha. Since AB star CD is equal to A plus C comma B plus C. Instead of AB and CD, AB star instead of CD, alpha beta. Now that is equal to A plus alpha, B plus beta. Right? That is A plus. What is alpha? Alpha value C plus E. B plus beta. What is beta value? D plus. So that is equal to that is same as that is equal to A plus alpha value C plus E, then B plus beta value D plus equation. Therefore from 1 and 2 different category it follows that AB star CD star EF is equal to P star of Q star R. AB star CD star EF. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, star is what? Associative. Here, friends. Similarly, verify that star is commutative. Commutative property is P star Q is equal to Q star. Definition of commutative. Where P and ordered pair AB star. Q and ordered pair C. So to prove that AB star CD is equal to Q, CD star AB. Now take left side. Also, let AB star CD is equal to prove CD star AB. Right? So AB star CD that is given. What is that? A plus C comma B plus C. Where A, B, C, D are natural numbers. Okay. Now that is equal to A plus C can also be written as B and C plus C because 1 plus B is same as 2 plus 1. 3 plus 4 is same as 4 plus 3. Okay. B plus D can be written as B plus B. Right? That is equal to, observe it. A plus C comma B plus C is the value of A B star CD. A plus C comma B plus C is the value of A B star CD. Whereas C plus A comma D plus D is the value of CD star AB. CD star AB is nothing but what? C plus A comma B plus D. So that is AB star CD is equal to CD star AB. Is it satisfied? Therefore, star is commutative. Star is commutative. Okay. Also, one more question. Find the identity element for star on the set A. A is equal to n cross n. Cross product. Take order pairs. Identity element. If it is star is given, identity element is given by E. But here n cross n is given. That is cross product is given. Now take two identities. Let E1, E2 be the identity. In the n cross n, because it is cross product. One day set n set take identity E1. But here two that is n cross n is given, so that take two identities E1, E2 be the identity n cross n. Now by definition of identity, definition of identity AB. Definition of identity AB. A star E is same as E star A is equal to A. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ if is only one element is given, only one set is given. But here cross product of two sets are given. So that A star E. A means here AB star. E means order pair E1 E2. Is same as E means E1 E2. Star A means AB is equal to order pair AB. Because it is cross product. One element ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ order pair ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ n cross n ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now to find the value of E1. Now this is definition of element. Now AB star E1 E1 is same as E1 E2 star AB is equal to A. Now to find the value of E1. Okay. Now AB star E1 E2 is equal to A. Simplify. This implies given AB star CD is equal to A plus C comma B plus C. Instead of CD, here E1 E2. What is AB star E1 E2? By using the given data, A plus E1 comma B plus B, right, is equal to A. Okay. Now equating the corresponding value. Therefore, corresponding value A plus E1 is equal to A. B plus E2 is equal to B, right? Simplify, therefore E1 is equal to A. That here goes first side minus A. A minus A 0. Here E2. B minus B 0. Okay. Therefore E1 E2. E1 value 0. E2 value 0. Is it 0 0 belongs to n cross n? No, does not belongs to natural number. That is the product of natural number. Therefore identity element does not exist. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು but 0 is not natural number, isn't it? Clear friends? That is most important problem. 3-mark question, very important. Okay, so this completes the relations and functions. Okay students, next class we will discuss next topic. Okay, thank you.